Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the dictionary for searching the words and for checking the synonyms or the antonyms of your word or checking the definitions of your word. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply, I'm going to delete this word, and after deleting this word, what we have to do simply, I'm going to remove this, and now simply we have to go to the tools section. And after going to the tools section, as you can see, has the dictionary. The shortcut key is also mentioned here, like the Control Shift Y. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, simply we have to write the word here, and then we have to search for that. For example, I'm going to write the word computer here, and let's press the enter. And after pressing the enter, you will get all the information related to that word. Like as you can see, computer is a noun, an electronic device, and all the things are mentioned here. I'm going to change the name, like here let's write the presentation here, and I'm going to write the presentation, and then we have to press the enter. And as you can see, noun presentation is a noun, plural noun presentations. So as you can see, these all definitions are written here. So in this way, you can search any kind of word, any kind of query on your Google Slides dictionary. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the dictionary of your Google Slides. So see you guys in the next video.